Welcome back. Just doing a little video here. I had an idea that was going to help a particular uh, another YouTuber here, Garbaj or Garbage or however you pronounce it. That's the link to this particular video right there. I'll paste it into the link below. He was showing how to make a first-person controller and all that stuff, and he ran into an issue where the custom environment for the general level wasn't working on the weapon because he was using the pretty much standard trick of rendering your weapons and your near character objects in a separate viewport, which allows you to control and basically completely stop any clipping through other objects in the scene. But for whatever reason, Godot wasn't properly putting that environment on the weapon. I was stuck at work and I thought, hey, wait a minute, Godot has some options for the objects. And let's just pop back into Godot here. And one of the options, I'm going to show you in a minute the problem, and then I'm going to show you the potential solution that I got wrong. So when it runs, if you see here, the gun is clipping with that sphere, and if I go up to a wall, the gun and hands clip into the wall. Yeah, that's definitely what you don't want. But the gun looks proper here. The reason why I'm showing you the gun looking proper here is because when I show you them not working proper, it'll stand out. So let's go into the material and go into the flags for the gun. I'm just going to do it on the gun. I'm purposely going to leave this off the arms. Is no depth test. But you see what just happened now. Now the gun is confused in the renderer. It doesn't know what faces in the gun shouldn't be rendered. So object groups and faces that are still facing the camera, even though they're in internal parts, they're not getting culled because all of this gun has been told no depth test. So the gun isn't sure what to draw, and it just draws stuff in the order. So you're actually getting kind of like a cross between if darker and if brighter sort of happening on the gun. So if you see this here, you see the error. But what it does do correctly, and why I was thinking it might work, is this. You notice how the hands are clipping by this, are getting clipped by the sphere, but the gun isn't. This is what I was thinking in my mind at work when I replied to his video, that this should be working. But yeah, I forgot about the engine doesn't know what to do inside the object with no depth test. So his way of using a viewport is correct, so we just need to find a way to fix the bug that he's talking about in the video that I'll link below. But anyhow, this is it. This was my possible solution failing hard. And the example being when you use a custom mesh and not just a Godot shape, a mesh that has faces that may point back to the camera inside itself, it gets confused as to which one to draw. But yeah, so there we go. Anyhow, yeah, oh, one little thing. This isn't a very high-end character controller. It's not even a character controller at all. This is all you need here. You need a foot that the camera is mounted on. You only rotate the y-axis on the foot. You don't do the camera, or else you get some compound angles and start wishing you're using quaternions. This is the quick and dirty way of simulating what you need from the character controller to do this, in case anybody wants to try this. I'm not sure if I can upload this project somewhere because the arms are... just quickly open this up here. The arms... oh, that's not right. Are from Open Game Art. Some are. I can't remember. I don't own the arms, so I'll probably put a link to that below. Just needed something to show that, but yeah, so that's the issue, and I can't remember how to fix that or if there is a fix for it. So Anyhow, I've dragged on a little bit too long. That's the error right there that can be seen. The renderer is confused, even though it does mechanically what we want it to do. So I'm going to have a crack at getting multiple viewport and environment working, and maybe I will, maybe I won't, but that's my little break from my main project. Anyhow, if you watch this long, you like this kind of stuff, again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.